What's going on, guys? It's Mark from M3 Finish Mobile Detailing, and today in this video we're going to see if we can start a detailing business under $600. Let's go. All right, guys, so now we're at Home Depot. The first thing I like to pick up would be a Ryobi pressure washer. It's going to be electric. I know a lot of people like to go gas, more cleaning power, but electric is going to be super convenient for you. First, you're starting off your detailing business and super easy for maintenance. So I'll pick the 1800 PSI pressure washer, and it sets us at $99. Second thing we'll pick up would be garden hose. You always want to stay within the 100 feet range, just because clients might have a 25-foot hose or a 50-foot hose that might not reach the car you're working on. We're going to pick up this 100-foot hose from Goodyear. It's $89, and let's go get the next thing. All right, guys, so now we need a vacuum. I see that there's corded and cordless vacuums, but what I go to, or what is my go-to, would be this Rigid 4-gallon. It's $99. It's super compact and it's easy to fit in your car, and it's very mobile. I would grab this one right here, and then also the kit. The kit is what's important. I used to grab this kit all the time because the hose is what you need. The hose that it comes with is really big and bulky, but you need this hose right here and this crevice tool, and it'll make your detailing easier. So the price on this will be $54.97. So yeah, make sure you guys pick this up, because without this, man, detailing is going to be a little bit more harder. And then I would pick up this. This right here is an adapter. You could plug in your vacuum, say you need to charge your phone or other items. This is the way to go to, so you don't have to buy 2 cords. You can just stick to 1. So yeah, the price is $3.98. So the next thing we got to grab is buckets. So right now I'm looking at the buckets. Which one do I want? I like to pick a smaller bucket because for the wheels, you don't have to fill it up all the way. And then also I like to keep my water fresh all the time when I'm washing cars. When I do wash my car, I just dump out the water and apply new water. So I like these gray buckets right here. They're transparent, you can see the dirt. So right now they are $6.98, and I'm gonna grab these 2. All right, guys, now we're here at Walmart. Now we're gonna grab some soap. The best soap that I think would be this Gold Class right here. Has good lubrication, smells great, good for your clients. It is $9.98, and this is super easy to use. You could put 2 ounces in your foam cannon, or you could put 2 ounces in the bucket and be ready to go. Let's get some more things. So next thing we got to grab is tire shine. So you want to stick away from the oil-based dressings. What I would prefer is a water-based dressing. So what I'm looking at right now is a Jay Leno's tire shine. Water-based dressing, easy to use. It's going to sit in the tires and in the pores. The oil is going to sit on the edge of the tire where you get that sling. So I definitely would recommend this one right here. Now let's go grab some more stuff. But the price of this would be $8.97. Let's go check out some glass cleaner. All right, guys, now we're in the glass cleaner section. Let's go grab some glass cleaner. As you look, you see a lot of glass cleaners right here. And a lot of people pick this product, but I do have a lot of issues with it when I do spray it. A lot of smear marks, a lot of streaks. So with that being said, I'm going to grab this visible glass cleaner. I had no issues with this. This is one of the best glass cleaners I think in the market. So I'll pick this one up right here. But if you guys don't like the foam action, you can always pick up the bottle as well. But with that being said, we're going to pick this one up. This one's $4.52. Now let's go check out some towels. So right now at the towels, you see a lot of towels right here, but the best bang for your buck is going to be right here, $19.58. If you do have a Samsung card, they are like around $15. But for people that don't have it, this is it right here. So this one comes with 40 towels and microfiber towels. It could be good for paint, glass, whatever you do need it. When you're first starting off, you got to make it happen. So this is what I'm going to pick up right here as well. Like I said, this was $19.58. Now let's go check out some more things. All right, guys, so now we got to grab a drying towel. So what I'm going to pick right here is this Chemical Guys drying towel. Looks like someone opened it already. So we're going to see what it looks like. So this one's high plush. It's going to help you dry off your vehicles. And when you're done with it, you just hang it up. And then after, you're going to use it again. And when you're done through the day, just wash it after. So this one I'll pick up right here. And it's $20.62. And if you don't have money, this will be your go-to. But if you do want to spend the extra money, go get a blower. But right now we're trying to be budget friendly, so this is what we're gonna stick with right here. Guys, so now we gotta grab an interior detailer. So I'm gonna pick the Suds Lab. It's right here. The Suds Lab interior cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner, so you can use it for the wheels, you can use it for the tires, the interior, you can even use it for a bug off. So it's a versatile product you can use. How much it is? It's $15.46, and this will be the best bang for your buck right here. So after you're washing your client's cars, you need something to protect your client's vehicles, and it's a good upsell for your business. So what I'm looking right now, this is Meguiar's ceramic spray wax. It's going to help you protect your clients' cars and be a perfect upsell for your detailing business. This one I'm gonna put in the bag as well. And it is $19.97. So let's go check out some more products. All right, guys, so now we need something to apply the tire shine. So we have the Suds Lab right here. This is a tire applicator. You can spray your tire shine on it and just applicate the wheels. This will be good for all wheels except for the trucker wheels. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, but other than that, grab this as well. It's $4.12, and let's keep going. So a lot of people in the comments are gonna ask, how come you haven't picked a wash mitt? So we're gonna be budget friendly, and we're gonna use these microfiber towels to wash the car. It has 8 size, and it's gonna be really efficient for your business. And if you guys need a wash mitt, you guys could go pick one up, but we're gonna stick right here with these microfiber towels. All right, guys, so now we gotta pick up a foam cannon. As you see right here, there's multiple foam cannons to pick from. There's some for $41, and then one right here for $103. A lot of people don't know, there's a secret. Let's go. All right, guys, so now we're in the back of the detailing aisle. A lot of people don't know there's a pressure washer side right here. So there's a little hidden gem right here. There's a hyper tough foam cannon. It's $21. So we will probably pick this up. This is gonna be cost efficient for our detailing business. And yeah, man, overall it's a foam cannon. It's gonna do what it says. So let's pick this up as well. Right, so now we need something to clean your tires and wheels. So what I'm gonna pick right now is a super clean. It's $10.32. It's super dilutable, easy to use. So you can use this for your wheels, your tires, and overall just anything. You can even use it for your carpet. So I would definitely pick this up as well. All right, guys, so we just got to pick up a couple 32-ounce bottles. You're not going to be using a lot of product diluted because you have right now ready to use. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these spray bottles if I need it, and it's going to be $3.98. Let's get these. All right, guys, so we checked out Walmart and we checked out Home Depot. We couldn't find the tools that we needed, so I'm gonna recommend a couple products on Amazon. With that being said, the first product I would like to recommend will be the SPTA Wheel and Interior Brush Kit. It's $17.99. I highly recommend it, and check it out right here. So the second thing at Amazon I would like to recommend will be grit guards. Highly recommend in the detailing community. So this product is designed to reduce swirls in your paint, and check it out right here. It's $9.99. Let's go on to the next product. So the next product I'd like to recommend will be an extension cord. You always want to do a 12 gauge extension cord, 50 feet. The reason why I picked 12 gauge is because other gauges like 16 and above that 18, that's not going to work for you because the cord is going to overheat. So the 12 gauge is designed for shop vacs, compressors, and more bigger machines. So I highly recommend that. We checked out Home Depot as $74.99. So we found it on Amazon for $32, and that's a great steal. So check that out as well. The last product I'd like to recommend on Amazon will be black gloves. They're $16.99. The reason why you want to have black gloves is because to protect your skin from cracking or irritation. So I highly recommend it as well. So we're wrapping up the video today. Starting the detailing business under $600. Let me know what you guys would add or take off in the list. And thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it.